Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells VentilAir DSP exhaust fan. This particular exhaust fan has a 300mm sweep and also has 2 years of guarantee. This particular variant is the pista green variant. Over here there's an image of what this particular exhaust fan is going to look like. And do we have anything more? There's some features I mentioned. It says specially designed metal blade, powder coated metallic finish, sturdy steel bird guard, and speed of 1350 rotations per minute. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. And there you go. This is what the exhaust fan looks like. This is the Havells VentilAir DSP. I'll give you a closer look. There you go. This is the pista green variant. By the way, there is a document this is basically your warranty card. This is an important document. This is the steel bird guard on top, this metallic guard on top, and the color is pista green, as I mentioned earlier. This comes with a powder coated metallic finish, and this is of course the motor that runs the blades. There's some information here. It says sweep is 300mm, 1350 rotations per minute, and it's a 50-watt motor inside, and the insulation class is E. Finally, there's a power cable over here. Let me just show this to you. This is a flat TPE power cable. There is no plug attached. This plug you have to attach yourself. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Havells VentilAir DSP exhaust fan. Thank you for watching.